hate to believe that Okomfo says poor regions in this country, which I'm a witness to because as simple any emergency, you refer them to Okomfo. But the distance to massive, the distance from Accra, for you to massive is shorter than Accra. Most of the cases are referred to Dankwah, we all come together. Although I'm from Central Africa, I've had an experience where I came to a and fell sick, and I needed first aid before they could transfer me to Accra. So you never know when you fall sick and where you fall sick. Wherever we are, we have to make sure we have first-class hospitals that can take care of us. So with what I have witnessed myself, I have very good friends that I will appeal to them also to help. Fortunately, the Ashanti guys in Accra, they have money and they are willing to help. But if you don't tell them your problem, they wouldn't know. So I think with what the chief executive has done, we have to applaud him for his initiative. He's been here for only 2 months. What he has done simply means that two human beings are never the same. They are never the same. Therefore, we should be bold to commend people who do the right thing and be bold to criticize people who do the wrong things in society. I think he has done marvelously well for his bold initiatives. You know, I delivered or I gave the money somewhere last year, but it took him only a month. In fact, he sent me a couple of messages that he wanted to see me, but there was no time. But now, when I came here, I've seen that 2 months, what this doctor is doing, the chief executive, Professor Agyapong, he needs to be commended. So I thank him very much for the efforts he's making to make Anokye a better place. And we are going to support him. The money I gave was for oncology department, cancer treatment machine that was not working. And the company, I think in Sweden also needed 145,000. And the transfer and everything, I put everything together. I gave them $150,000. And now I'm happy. I went there, I saw the machine working. You know, I saw a lot of ladies with breast cancer who are, coming today for treatment. That's what we can do as individuals.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
You see, what we are seeing should encourage the media that not all politicians are the same. I'm voluntarily spending my money to help Ghanaians. Ask yourself how many politicians are willing to spend their money to take care of people. So if you want somebody to lead this country, give Agyapong a chance. And you see the difference how we serve society.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Chief.
At least response to the nation. Executives wow, what the other boy from Anokye. Any kind of 147,000 at the boy oncology. What's our 100 beds, mattresses. Same from one mammy for almost the abonting. I've found to swap 100 beds. And one of I just say, at the right time, so I brought your family. You say, we and yet, and what's happened to you? Before going away, so I can't my mind now. Why, Sonia? Honorable President Agyapong, letting me about boy, and not for what's now when we have problems. you know, you're the massive play. It's a buyer na family. Management so na family. And so as I said, Anokye, as I put 12 regions in Ghana. You know, you have a so other na see the play. Now you have to say about trees we ask for more. Honorable Nami and pound.
So we want to take a picture.
Let's
Sorry.